If you're looking to enhance the appearance of your current generation Honda Civic Type R, Mugen offers an exciting option. This tuning company from Japan introduced several upgrades for the Civic at the Tokyo Auto Salon in January, and now these modifications are available for purchase. The primary feature of these enhancements is an aerodynamics kit. It includes a striking front lip spoiler, additional elements for the corner intakes on the front, side skirts, a rear under spoiler, and a notably larger wing at the rear. Another standout feature soon to be released is a unique single-exit exhaust tip, positioned centrally, which is part of an upcoming exhaust system upgrade. The wheels, developed in collaboration with BBS, are 19 inches both in the front and the back. These modifications aren't solely for improving the car's looks. Mugen reports that the FL5 Type R's downforce is increased by 25% with the installation of these components, and the new wheels reduce weight by 22 pounds. Given that this model is the quickest front-wheel drive car around the Nürburgring, these enhancements could potentially boost its performance even further. Inside the car, there are additional improvements. Some of these, like the Alcantara shift knob and Mugen floor mats, mainly enhance the interior's aesthetics. Others, like the carbon center console and the MSC front seats, which are notably supportive, help in reducing weight. The company's catalog also lists performance-enhancing components such as upgraded dampers and two types of performance brake pads, one set for regular sport driving and another designed for competitive environments. While the brake pads will be available at the end of July, the dampers can be purchased immediately. The large rear spoiler will hit the market in September, and the special wheels will be released in August. As for the distinctive exhaust tip, it is still under development, with no specific release date announced. For buyers in the United States interested in these upgrades, components like the lip spoiler, side skirts, and rear under spoiler are currently available for purchase individually through King Motorsports. The combined cost of these three items is $2,065.